Tashi, namaste. Today, I would like to grab this special opportunity and on behalf of all the Tibetans, would like to wish a very happy 73rd Indian Independence Day.
On behalf of all the Tibetans in the world, I would like to express my deepest gratitude and the effusive thanks to Indian government and its people for their unwavering support and a genuine affection. We will never forget the ancestors who have sacrificed their life for the glory of this independent country. So as our His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama says, we are always a family. So with this thought, I would like to wish you a very happy 73rd Independence Day. Thank you, India. Thank you for everything.
Namaste, India. My name is Kunga. I'm speaking from New Delhi right now. And today is Indian Independence Day. I really wish you all happy Independence Day. While speaking of independence, we Tibetans have lost independence 62 years ago. And through the journey of our life, government of India and the people of India have provided us tremendous assistance to our survival journey, especially in India where the majority of exiled Tibetans are residing. And right from His Holiness the Dalai Lama and 80,000 other Tibetans who set their feet first time in Indian soil. And since then, India has supported us and provided assistance continuously over those years and still doing it. And we Tibetans really owe you our enormous debt of gratitude for being the reason why we are so successful. In fact, we are the most successful refugees around the world. And for being able to establish fully functioning communities and educational and medical institutes across many states in India. And you were the reason why we have been able to keep our culture and language alive. And so I really want to thank India. Personally, I'm so, I have kind of feeling that belongingness to India. I love this country. My likeness for this country is endlessly, varied from the street foods like biryani to Bollywood music. I have sisters and brothers and friends who are kind of my family to me. So I really would like to take this opportunity to thank all the government and the people of India. Thank you so much. Kadinche.
Hi, happy Independence Day. I'm so grateful to India, and despite being a refugee, we were privileged to exercise our basic human rights. Right to religion, right to language, right to education. And I always say this, that India too is my home. So thank you and happy Independence Day once more.
Historically, Tibet and India has been in a very close relationships. From spiritually, culturally, even the Tibetan alphabet has been adopted from the Indian Sanskrit languages. But it's unfortunately, during the 1959, our country has been invaded by the Chinese Communist Party. And it's India who gave us the land to stay. And it's been almost 60 years. His Holiness the Dalai Lama always says that I am a son of India and have survived with the dal and the rotis. And we all are same. And I'm blessed that India has gave us opportunity to continue our resilience to preserve our Tibetan language and culture. Thank you, India, and happy Independence Day to all Indian brothers and the sisters.
Hi, Indian brother and sister. So today is very important and a very joyous occasion, of course, because today is 15 August. It's Independence Day of India. So I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. And taking this opportunity, I would like to extend my very warm gratitude and thank you for all the people out there, including the government of India, for always supporting and always being there for the Tibetan issues, taking it very important and considerate. So thank you so much for that. So since from 1959, it's been more than 50 years that we stayed in your country, and I always felt this very warm welcome and great support from you people. So thank you so much for everything. And again, I wish you a very happy Independence Day and looking forward for many years and days to come like this. Thank you so much.
We, the Tibetans, are extremely and enormously grateful for the Indian government and the people of India's unwavering support and genuine affection.
I was born in India, but I am a Tibetan girl. So, being a refugee in India, I am enjoying every freedom that has been provided. So, being a student, I want to express our gratitude to India and its people for the educational freedom that we have been enjoying. Not only that, we are enjoying freedom like to preserve our culture, traditions, identity, freedom of expressions, freedom of religions, and the most important, we are living our life with happiness and with dignity. So, I want to say thank you, India.
Of course, without a doubt, India has been a great supporter for a lot of refugees, especially if I specific out Tibetan settlement has been a great development so far after the invasions of Chinese occupation. So far, I just want to refer that it's a great home. I could say second home for a lot of Tibetan out there, and as our spiritual leader, His Holiness has always referred this phrase Guru in Chela relationship. So I have no doubt that there is a good, strong and good bond between these two countries. So till date, it's been almost like 60 plus years for sheltering us. So I just want to express my heartfelt thank you to entire people out there. Thank you, India.
When the peaceful and spiritual land of Tibet was invaded by the People's Liberation Army of China, it was only India who supported and who sheltered the Tibetan people, and it proves that it was a true protector of humanity. So, today on this very special day, we Tibetans are expressing our gratitude towards India for your support and for your sheltering when our culture, political identity and faiths were suppressed by Chinese community in our original land of Tibet. So, thank you so much, and thank you very much for your support and for your all kind-hearted words towards we Tibetans. Thank you, India. Thank you so much.
Because of you, we can preserve our rich and profound Tibetan culture, religion, tradition, and language, which are of utmost significance to us.
Today is a very special day for India, as it recalls the day India regains its independence 73 years ago. So on this great day, I would like to wish Indian government and people of India a very happy Independence Day to all. As His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama always himself claims that he is son of India, so we too feel the same way about that. And so we are so grateful for the country India, and thank you so much for your kind support. And I personally had the opportunity to stay in India as well as to study in India, so I'm so grateful for that under the grace of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. At last, not the least, long live His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, and I wish we could return back to Tibet as soon as possible.
Namaste and Tashi. Happy 73 Independence Day to all my Indian brothers and sisters. Thank you, Indian government and its people, for loving us. Your love and kindness are forever unforgettable to we Tibetan people. Thank you, India. Jaii Bharat.
It's been more than 60 plus years since we all the Tibetans stayed here in the great land of India. We are fed and flourished with Indian special cuisines like chawal, dal and roti and many more.
Hello everyone, my name is Tsering and this is my country Tibet. You might heard of this country, right? I'm here on behalf of 6 million Tibetan people out there and in India, just to share a thankful words to all the Indian government and Indian people out there, because you people are damn close to our heart. We can able to speak our own mother tongue, and we can able to follow our own rituals and secure our own culture and tradition, even if we are in different country which is India. Because of these reasons, thank you so much for your genuine support and kindness and immense loving towards us. Once again, thank you so much.
His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama always says, India is our guru and we are Chela. He also says, I am the longest guest of India.
Namaste, my Indian brothers and sisters. From the core of heart, I truly thank you all for being grateful to us from many years and firmly believe and support in our freedom movement from many years till today. Bond we share with you, but spiritually, politically will never be forgotten and erased from the soul of both Tibetan and Indian. If it is not your kind support and care for us for many years, we won't be successful in every field in today and live a prosperous life, even if we are refugee in India. So thank you once again, India. Jaii Bharat.
Happy Independence Day for every citizens of India, and I would like to thank India for giving us a home to stay for 61 years with freedom to preserve our culture and tradition. Thank you, India.
The India and Tibet will always remain a peaceful and loving nation across the globe, who always emphasizes on moral qualities like peace, love, compassion, non-violence, and so forth, which are of utmost significance in today's world. Jaii Bharat, Jaii Tibet. Thank you.